So things are getting pretty exciting for Dogecoin as we are now seeing some strong catalysts for it and the overall crypto market. And this is what I'm going to talk about in this video. But before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Good luck! So we know that Doge and other cryptos have been going through a bad phase for the last couple of months. But as we are approaching the end of 2021, we are seeing that meme coins like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu have seen a massive surge in market value this year. In fact, the combined $47 billion market cap of Doge and Shiba constitutes 2% of the total crypto market cap. Moreover, both Dogecoin and Shiba Inu alone account for around 85% of the overall meme crypto market worth. In addition, as the overall crypto market is back in the green, the Dogecoin and Shiba Inu-led meme economy has seen a dramatic increase in trading volumes in the last 24 hours. Trade volumes in Doge and Shiba have increased by almost 72% compared to 16% for decentralized finance and 21% for metaverse. So this indicates that more traders are now turning to Doge and Shiba in search of profits. And it also indicates that investors are continuing to believe in these coins, despite the fact that they were down recently. And another good thing for Doge is that it has just become a top hit among 1,000 Binance Smart Chain whales. Overall, the top 1,000 whales are now holding about $120 million worth of Dogecoin. So the point is that despite the extended price correction, Doge has seen a massive surge throughout this year. And this shows that Dogecoin is a valuable asset, and it is definitely not a dead crypto, and it is here to stay. And since Doge is currently recovering its recent losses, investors are now getting all in on Doge and eyeing long-term profits. And now let's come to Bitcoin, since it is also going to affect Dogecoin's price in the future. So Bitcoin has now broken out of the descending channel or the bull flag. It has now cleared the resistance at 49K, and it is now eyeing to clear the resistance at the 52K level. But the most important thing that has happened for Bitcoin is that its RSI is now sitting at 14 points. And this is a pretty bullish indicator for Bitcoin. And it is now highly likely that Bitcoin is going for a leg up in the coming trading sessions. And seeing the recent price trajectory of Bitcoin, popular crypto analyst Credible Crypto drew attention to the market sentiment by pointing to the Bitfinex limit order book bids. He stated that little has changed in the on-chain fundamentals of BTC over the last week as whales continue to buy at panic-stricken retail pricing. He stated that Bitfinex whales continue to accumulate Bitcoin around 45K, and due to this, the market lows were filled, and this is why Bitcoin is now looking for a rebound. And he believes that this rebound will take Bitcoin to as high as 55K before the next market sell-off occurs. Similarly, crypto analyst Dylan Leclerc has pinpointed a potential bullish divergence for Bitcoin. In his analysis, he emphasized the point of reserve risk plummeting to its crucial bottom line. Historically, whenever it has hit its bottom line, Bitcoin has undergone subsequent bull cycles. Notably 72% and 64% surge in each of its previous supercycles. So the point is that Bitcoin is now heading towards a bullish divergence from here, and it is now highly likely that Bitcoin will reiterate its historic movements, which will initiate a leg up for it. Collectively, as we are all set to welcome Christmas, Bitcoin and the overall crypto market are now heading towards a Grand Santa rally by this weekend. So all this data for Bitcoin is a major catalyst for Dogecoin, since we know that the price correlation between the two is pretty high right now. This is very important on-chain data, and this is exactly why I have been highlighting it in my videos again and again. The thing to note here is that Bitcoin is now looking to go up in the coming days, and Dogecoin is going to follow suit since it has done it before owing to its high price correlation with Bitcoin. And now let's come to Dogecoin's price analysis. So we are now seeing that Doge has now reclaimed support around the 17 cents range. And overall, Dogecoin's price analysis is bullish today, and I expect it to recover more in the coming trading sessions. However, as I have been saying recently, it is highly likely that Doge will not go for a massive leg up right away. It may gain some support in the coming days, but a major leg up is not expected until March and April of 2022. And now we have some important updates about rising crypto adoption that are also acting as a major catalyst for Doge and the overall crypto market. So we are now seeing that the UAE is continuing to establish itself as one of the most crypto-friendly countries in the world, as the Dubai government has just launched a new program to foster local crypto development and regulation. As per recent reports, the Dubai World Trade Center, a government-owned event and exposition site in Dubai, would be transformed into a comprehensive zone and regulator for cryptos, related products, operators, and exchanges. This initiative will develop a comprehensive ecosystem for the crypto sector within Dubai and engage with the private sector to provide an attractive environment for the sector. Moreover, crypto exchange Binance has announced the signing of a memorandum of understanding with the Dubai World Trade Center Authority in order to develop this crypto industry hub in Dubai. Binance's participation in this initiative will contribute to Dubai's commitment to create a new international virtual asset ecosystem capable of generating long-term economic growth via digital innovation. And the major objective is to assist various crypto and blockchain-related businesses in obtaining licenses in Dubai. All in all, this is going to provide a massive boost to crypto adoption in the UAE, and since we know that prominent market leaders and investors are residing in the UAE, I think that the global crypto market is going to get a massive boost from this initiative. And now coming to the next big update, we are now seeing that crypto adoption has been growing in every part of the world. For example, interest in cryptos has been growing dramatically in Russia. And according to recently quoted estimates, Russians have already put more than $67 billion into the crypto market. Now this is an important update because we were recently hearing news about Russia banning cryptos. But as I mentioned in my previous video, there is going to be no ban on crypto in Russia. It has now been reported that the Bank of Russia aims to introduce legislation to regulate the circulation of cryptos in the country rather than ban it. And seeing this rise of interest in cryptos among the Russian investors, I think that this latest update about crypto regulation will now encourage more Russian investors to get exposure to cryptos. And talking about investors, coming to the crypto market, certified financial planner and president of Bonafide Wealth, Douglas Boneparth believes that investors of all ages should be looking to add crypto to their portfolios. He revealed that his firm now has about 50% of clients that are interested in crypto investments, and he expects this number to grow dramatically in the next couple of years. So this again leads us to the fact that more and more people are now looking to explore the crypto market. And this is an extremely bullish indicator for the overall crypto market that will fuel it to new highs in the future. Similarly, billionaire Ray Dalio has recently stated that he is fascinated by the crypto market while labeling cash as the worst investment. He believes that it is pretty amazing that the crypto market has been unhacked for a decade and done well throughout this time. He revealed that he viewed cryptos as an alternative medium of exchange in an environment where the value of conventional money is eroding in actual terms. In addition, Dalio stated that he also owns cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum, as they are a good option to diversify his investment portfolio. And now let's come back to Dogecoin for a minute. So as we just saw how the overall crypto adoption has been rising, we are also seeing that Doge has turned out to be one of the most popular cryptos in the US. So Doge has been named among the most trending cryptos and searches in Google in 2021. So it is now evident that more and more people are trying to explore Dogecoin. And since Dogecoin has become one of the most sensational cryptos with a tremendous search appearance on Google, I think that this proves the fact that Doge is here to stay. And I think that this interest in Doge will rise more in the coming year as a lot of huge developments are going to happen for Doge. In fact, we are going to see Elon Musk showing more support for Doge. And this will be one of the biggest catalysts for Doge that will grow it in terms of value and adoption.